What's up, Madonnas? Alright, so today I was supposed to do fried chicken and show you how I fry chicken, right? But I was very busy and I didn't realize it's Valentine's Day. But this is how I fry chicken. I clean up my meat and blend up the seasoning. This is garlic, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, ginger, and etc. I blend that up because it marinates in the meat more, and I use oil to blend it up. I use some cooking oil, and then I put some powder season like Maggi all-purpose and a little Jamaica jerk season on it. I don't use a lot of powder season and little salt, and then I pour the blended season on the meat, and that is how I make it marinate. Put it in the fridge, and then I put it back in the freezer if I'm not gonna use it right away. So that's how I normally season up my meat. When I buy them, I season them up, sometimes put them in bag. You know, you have that kind of bag that you can use and put the meat in and put it in the freezer. But you have to let it soak first, like 1, 2, 3 hours before you put it in the freezer. Yeah, so this is the fried chicken that I'm going to do tomorrow, and this is how I'm rubbing in the seasoning and make it marinate. So that is it. So hopefully tomorrow I'll see you guys. You've been asking me how I fry my chicken. This is how I season my chicken and get it ready to fry tomorrow. Sometimes I season it from overnight, and sometimes I season it and just leave it for 2 hours. It really doesn't matter because my hand is very seasoning. I don't know, like I can just buy the meat, cook it, and it still tastes good. So that's it, guys. See you tomorrow.